Hi, today we are going to create a function that takes a non-negative integer n as input, and we have to return a list of all the powers of 2. Here we are at the code editor. What I want to do is to start off with an iteration. So for iteration in the range of the argument, let's print the iteration first. There's no iteration, and that's not good because you have at least one value. So we should add up 1 with the range. There we go. So we have at least one iteration now, and when we change this to 1, we have 2 iterations. Here we have 2 iterations, 0 and 1. And as you can see, what we have to do, like here, we only have to make sure that 2 will be multiplied with the power of the iteration. Like this. And let's assign that to iteration. Iteration equals the operation. And print the iteration out. 1 and 2, exactly what we are looking for. So when we change this to 0, we get 1. That's also the value we are looking for. And when we put in 2, we get 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. Let's create a new list to append the values to the new list. Result.append iteration. And let's return the result. Ta-da! Let's comment this out. Of course, you can merge this into one list comprehension. Return 2 multiplied by the power of the iteration for the iteration in the range n plus 1. There we go.